Are you recording?
Yeah.
We in Viva Village right now.
Viva? Yeah, go. I'm the one that's drinking, not you.
Daddy's at work right now.
Daddy's in the kitchen right now.
Daddy's in the kitchen doing what I do, you know what I'm saying? This is it. AAU Basketball League, shout out to West Coast Florida Magic, you know what I'm saying? Putting it down for the weekend, you know? This is it. Got my rice and beef stew on right now.
There you go. There you go.
12:15 in the morning, you know. It's been a long day. I'll get to sleep in tomorrow.
Yeah, buddy. We're recording.
Oh, my bad.
Just
Hello.
Did that right in my ear. Hi.
No, Mom, why would you do that? Oh, my goodness.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Mommy, please.
Hi. Yeah.
You gotta stop, Mom.
Wow.
It's been a minute. Seconds.
Say hi, Asia. That's for screaming in my dang ear. All right, Daddy, back to you.
Christine,
Yeah.
is anyone sleeping on that couch? Please don't.
Why? Anybody sleeping on that couch?
Yeah.
Whoever's gonna take the couch, take the couch. You gotta pull out the bed though.
Yeah, because I want to take the mattress from that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right, Daddy, go ahead.
Like I said, I'm in the kitchen cooking up some beef stew. My kids love beef stew. So
There you
that's
go.
beef stew.
Yep, they
A
do.
little white rice. What up, Brennan? What up?
Hey, guys, say hi to the camera. Hi, boys.
Chef Boy Reg. Late at night. Okay?
He's in the
We're
shower.
gonna get some milk.
No, he's in the shower.
So what's going on, fellas?
Matthew!
I'll be there tomorrow.
You are?
Yes, sir. I will be there. I hate I missed today, but I had to wait for the wife to get out of work. But I'll definitely be there tomorrow, man. Cheer y'all on screen. Getting the refs here a little bit, you know?
Oh my gosh, you don't even know. Today, tell me how I wasn't even